This is probably the most daunting job I'm ever gonna do with cars. And I had to kick out my homie over here. Oops. But yeah, Type S oil pump incoming. Now, it's finally coming off. It's so murky. Ooh.
Yum.
Yummy. That actually doesn't look good, but it's whatever. It is what it is. It should be a good motor. The keyword is should. Okay, now we have this off as well. We can probably get off the pulley here. Close to as well, we're not using it. That just comes off easy. Hey. You feel like I don't even know where to start, bro. Guess this is it, man. Timing chain tensioner is coming off. You think this is straight to you, man? Is it the timing marks? That's straight.
Oh, yeah.
This one's straight. You see that arrow?
That's good.
Right?
Nothing can go wrong.
Nothing can go wrong.
Everything is in place.
It's not like this is really expensive, you know? Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck, we're fucked. We are fucked. That is it. Can you tell I'm nervous, bro? I just gotta do it. I just can't be scared, you know? I'm pretty good at taking stuff apart. Putting it back together, different fucking story. See, like, I don't even know where this fucking bolt goes anymore. We are screwed, chat!
Today's episode of 15-minute repairs.
Becomes a month ordeal. A bunch more freaking silicone. Yeah, that way. Just hold on to it very tight. Pretty good condition, because I didn't buy a new one. Oh well. And there's a lot of oil. We'll be holding on to it this way. Lady there. Jeez! Should be fine. Should be fine. Now what's next? I don't know what's next. Yeah, you wanna see? Yeah, same, bro. Fuck, even that we might get copyrighted for.
Oh, you get copyright for everything?
Well, no, I don't know. You're seeing it's just that good. I got this. Maybe just support it. She's a little wet, boys. Can you tilt it more? Ooh, okay. Alright, let's put her in the car. Looks good to me. Oh, that's how you lock it. Now it's locked.
Just turn it.
Dude, I don't even know what to do next. We're at this stage now where we got the old oil pump out, and this thing's pretty much bare. And we got the 50-degree VTC gear on already. So we're just gonna clean up the bottom end here and start installing some stuff. I don't know what the hell I'm doing at all. Well, this looks spotless now. Well, as much as it can, I guess.
Yeah.
There you go. Time to put in new parts, I guess.
You can eat it.
You could eat on it.
Put an egg on there.
Yeah, I got it. Well, the engine's finally all teared down because we're putting a Type S pump in it. So the last thing I have to do is just take off this plug right here. I just have to take off this plug right here and plug it with a M8 bolt. And yeah, and all the parts are just right here to put in the Type S pump. Well, that's some of it, and some of it is over there, and then some of it is over there. Okay, so you're supposed to hammer it in.
Did you hammer it in?
A little bit. Watch your fingers, kids. Just like that. Hopefully there's no metal shavings in there. Now, that's off. You plug that with either one of these bolts, whichever you want to do. So we'll try. Oh, sorry, we're close. You're like zoomed in all the way. Either one of these bolts. This one's a little shorter. I think this is a 20 mil. I think this is a 25. So, excuse me. Boom, just like that. But put Honda. You were missing a step. What are we supposed to do? You don't know?
No, I don't know.
I feel like I want to use a longer one. I'll use the longer one. So, don't just thread it in. You're supposed to use some of this.
Show us.
It's called Honda Bond. It's the best bond ever. This will seal it up so there's no oil coming out of there, because if you don't plug that up properly, you won't have an oil pressure, and your engine that you just spent money on, it'll go kaboom. It'll be worthless. So make sure you do that. Not a lot, just enough. Area is clean. As clean as it can be. Don't do that. Not that I tried to do it again. What size, if you can guess the size of this bolt, I'm gonna give you a crisp high five. I'm talking to you, girl.
Oh, 5 millimeters?
I guess you're not getting the high five.
What size is it?
12.
Oh. Well, I got the millimeters, right?
Close enough.
What is it gonna do now?
Supposed to torque it to...
Yeah, we're gonna torque?
Yep. Supposed to torque it to 16 foot-pounds, okay? There you go. That was very anticlimactic.
Yeah, that was quick.
Okay, next step is install this tray. You have no idea how it goes. It goes this way. No chat, it goes this way. Like that. And you grab your 6 bolts that, you know, that's packaged individually for this. As I struggle to open one. And thread it onto these holes. Chat, let's go on bolt. Oh.
Almost dropped it in the engine. Good job.
There you go. You do that 6 times.
He's pulling an all-nighter here. He's gonna work on his engine.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep up there in that top bunk.
Right there, yeah.
I'm just kidding, I'm not playing an all-nighter tonight. But she is gonna help me put this engine in the car.
No, I'm not.
I feel like you're like hella zoomed in.
No.
No?
Nope.
You sure?
Not zoomed in at all.
Then these ones. There's 6 of these. You just wanna know the part number? There you go.
Not focusing, not focusing.
See that?
Ah, hold it still. Come on.
Girl, that's the part number for these tiny bolts.
You better pause it if you want it.
And there's a part number for that tray. Don't worry. There's a lot of people that does this stuff. I'm just trying to, you know, document it so I remember what the hell I'm doing. Okay, now you torque these down to 8.7 foot-pounds. I'm just gonna say 8 something. Boom, just like that. Now I don't know what's next. This is the next piece. This is the timing chain, oil pump chain. Supposed to put that in first, because that's the one that's in the back. Oh, holy crap, how fresh that is. On there like that. In comparison, here's the old one. So actually, this one still looks kind of new. It's not bad, it's not bad. And the big daddy of them all, the most important part, this is the oil pump. Shout out to the homie Alvin for cutting it right here. Because if you don't do that, it's gonna hit about in this area right here and these bolts. So yeah, you're supposed to shave it down. I had to grind it down a little bit more because he kind of just did it by eye, but he did it lovely, perfectly. Make sure it's clean too, because he did shave down a lot of this stuff. Make sure the block is clean. Should be clean enough. So yeah, you try to slide it in like in an angle like this, and it should slide down just like that. Perfect. So these are the 3 bolts that will hold in or bolt in the pump to the block. So this, I think this is the smallest one. This just goes over here. And the long one, well, I'm assuming it's gonna go over here. And this one will probably go over here. Because that's the one that makes the most sense. So you torque this one down at 8 foot-pounds, same thing as the vintage tray. Boom. And the other two, 16. torque down. So this is the new guide. I could probably just use the old one, but we're not gonna do that. Might be a little different too, but I don't know. It's really neat. Don't be a dummy, don't put it like this. You flip it around and make sure you're putting it in the right way. And so you don't snap something either. You just torque those down, same as that other one. On to the next one. This is the new Type S oil pump tensioner. Like that. That looks a little bent, no? There you go, it's straight now. And you just reuse the 3 bolts that came off of the old oil pump for this one. Same thing. 8.7 foot-pounds. That. These ones I'm going to torque down later on because I don't have the adapter for it. We're looking good. Guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Let's put it all together and boom!
Kaboom! Shabang! Just like that Drake song.
Iceman.
So there's timing marks on this. There's gonna be, so there's that, you can see that's black right there. And there's another black one right there. This one's gonna be the one down here. And these ones are gonna be the one on the cam gears. There's 2 dots that you're supposed to line it up at. Off by a tooth. That means this needs to come down. Well, we had a little scare on the timing because I didn't know what I was doing, but we got it all together now. It's all timed. You see all those lines right there is lined up. Those dark marks, come on, focus up. Those dark marks is lined up with the, or dark part on the chain is lined up. Same with this one. Right there, and then this one right here, right there. There's a dot right there, this is with a dark chain. So what we pretty much had to do was shimmy it, like had DJ here with the 24 mil. He just shimmied the cam. This side shimmied it this way, and then this one shimmied it that way, and then shimmied it again that way, and shimmied it that way, and you could get the chain on. So you're good. Success. Probably should have taken the bolts off first before you started filming. Just made this whole clip so much longer for no reason. This guy's on the fucking clock here, bro.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Nah, take your time, man.
What do you mean take your time? Tita's calling you. It's like, are you working today? Do you remember you were working today? It's like, god damn it. I was ready to put a K series in the Integra today, man.
Sorry, man. Duty calls. You gotta wipe some ass.
So we can afford this fucking
So we can afford this bullshit hobby.
For real. I don't know if I'm putting this together correctly. Hopefully I am. And hopefully it's the right length bolts. Before you guys roast me on why did I not put new guides and new chain, because I'm broke. But at the same time, these are still in really good condition. Otherwise, if they weren't, I would have actually bought new ones. Well, we figured out the torque specs. It's 8.7 foot-pounds. Start in the middle, because... Okay. Why is it doing that to me, bruh? Bro. Okay. Yeah, that should be tight.
Yeah.
'Cause there-
You wouldn't think 8.7's like anything though.
I'm just gonna hand tight it because that's scary. Because that feels way too tight. Okay, that's good. That's way too. And I got a new timing chain tensioner. So we shall see.
Is that a thumbtack?
Yep. That's what I was looking for, to keep the old one so I could just return this one. But you know what? Everyone told me to get this new instead of timing chain, or at least get this new instead of timing chain, because this one can fail and this can actually cause the car to go out of time over a lengthened timing chain. So I went with that instead. Here we go with 8.7 foot-pounds again, man. Torque down the timing chain tensioner. Okay.
All right.
All right.
1 for 2. 2 for 2.
I think that's everything, right? Is that everything?
Yep. We're ready for the cover.
Oh, I think I gathered myself together. I even got new clothes on because the last couple clips you've seen me in the other clothing. I think the timing is all correct. Last thing to do is pull this pin. Satisfying. Really good. Inexpensive. Another torque spec, these are just 16 foot-pounds. Dude, why is it?
Oh, that's so scary. Every time.
It just keeps on spinning, bro. Okay, one more. Okay. Okay, we're good.
Sweet.
Dude, you want? They're torqued to 8.7 foot-pounds,
Bro.
and it kept on spinning still.
What?
So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna fucking hand tie it in it, and that's it.
8.7 is like snug fit.
Yeah. These lines will line up, and this line and this line will line up over here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, I think that was a tensioner, right? Yeah.
Is that the chain tensioner? Yeah.
Oh,
It's good.
we're good.
Where is
They
it?
all lined up right here. That's lined up, and there's gonna be a little arrow down here as well. That arrow right there, those lines.
Yeah, I see it.
And there's one down here. Maybe like a little arrow. It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah.
She thick.
Remember when we pulled this timing cover off? I was like, I'm not putting this much on the bond on here.
It's not spilling out from the side. You're not doing it right.
Bro.
The chisel.
Okay.
To the right.
Yeah. More. There. Perfect. Okay. And
This one.
the good one.
The big ones.
8.7 foot-pounds?
Yeah.
Fuck me. Hey, timing cover's on. What's next? Well plan.
Ready, brother?
I'm ready, brother. This is not final. This is just so it doesn't spill a lot of oil. I haven't put my fingers to work like this in a long time.
Hashtag in Honda bonds with us.
It was so hard to scrape it out of the ridges. Yeah. Got a bigger engine.
This is the biggest engine I could get. We're just fingering a block over here. Oh, there's a spot that's contaminated. Oh,
But
well.
this,
Wait,
getting caught on. Uh-oh.
shit.
What?
Right here.
Wait, let go of it?
This one's hitting.
Is this not deep enough?
No, the line's not fixed on this.
Oh shit.
This one, cut it off.
Oh, cut the cogwheel.
Treble it. It kind of holds the chain cover or the chain guide.
Good.
Good.
That's why I was like, oh, what is this?
Yeah, I thought it was actually in the inside where it's gonna hold on to the timing
clip?
chain. I thought, no.
Should fit.
Oh. Yeah, that's boys for you. Okay, gloves again. Fuck shit. All night to fucking clean this place. Because Martha's at a party, so, and I'm the DD.
The tarp here is smart.
Yeah. I had to.
Speed run that.
Just three guys playing with nuts. I mean, nuts and bolts. Look at that engine. There's so much on the bond. Like,
Pouring out.
Thick.
oh my god.
Look at that.
This better not leak oil.
It won't even leak from the side because there's no chance to.
Well, it's just me now. Well, I mean, for the rest of the night. We pretty much got the engine buttoned up. So we got the timing cover back on, oil pans back on. Might be a little bit too much of Honda bond, but that's okay. I still gotta figure out the serpentine belt or the belt situation here because I'm not running AC anymore, obviously. So it's a different size of belt. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But yeah, otherwise, a couple more things. I still also need to get a RSX or 02 to 04 thermostat water pump housing, so I could run the this portion, the thermostat housing, flip down, and yeah, so I don't have to spend $300 on a swivel thermostat housing. So there's that. Obviously, I have the intake manifold. I have the RBC one, and then obviously I have the K-Swap header as well from DC Sports, so it's gonna get put on. Obviously, I'm gonna clean this up because this is all nasty right here. And one last thing back here, I'm just gonna change that rear main. So even though it's not leaking, it's probably a good time to change it. But yeah, engine's looking good. Probably is gonna clean up here because it is a mess. As you guys can see, there's so much gloves everywhere. I just want to keep everything clean. Probably move this out of the way already. Move that stuff out of the way. Probably clean up the harness and do a couple more things on this. Take out the power steering pump and all that jazz. So tomorrow, the goal is, or tomorrow, whenever you guys see this, the next video that you guys see, or next clip might be this engine getting prepped to be in this engine bay already. So yeah, that is the goal. Probably put you guys in a time lapse, cleaning up this whole mess that I put. All right.